Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel AM London Grow. So friends, this is regarding the labor laws in India. So friends, in November 2025, total 4 new labor laws have been introduced. These are Code of Wages 2019, Industrial Relations Code 2020, Code of Social Security 2020, Occupational Safety, Health and Working Conditions Code 2020. So these are implemented with effect from 21st November 2025, and these have replaced the 29 old central labor laws. So friends, the key change and the new, what's the new for workers are uniform wage definition and the minimum wage protection. So friends, minimum wage protection is there and the new wage definition is there. Mandatory appointment letters and written job contract should be there. Fixed term employees and the contract workers get the same benefits as the regular employees. Gig and platform workers formally recognized and covered. Better security, better social security and safety coverage for a wider workforce, and gender equality and improved provisions for women workers. So friends, these are the key changes for these new workers. For more updates, please follow my channel, for subscribe my channel. Thank you.